Hey everybody, I know it's been a very long time, but I'm here to make some content, give you guys a little update on the property, shelter. Trying to get some wood sourced for the roof. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Once again, I apologize for not posting in a couple months. It has been really hard to get out here with the snowstorms that we've had. And it was minus 50 all last week and the week before. So yeah, enjoy the video. See you later. This is the shallowest snow. It's still almost to my knee. So didn't bring the truck. I have it parked on the only available spot. So I've been walking all the way back and forth. Oh, there's the gas. Oh. See you later, Chuck. And we are at the cabin finally. After 2 trips of walking back and forth, I have my girlfriend with me. That's Brienne. Say hi, everybody. And then we got the man Tyler, of course. And we're gonna try to have some fun. We just got the fire going. We're doing it inside the shelter now. I'm gonna start drying or opening up this ground a bit. We're gonna maybe cut down some trees and start building a bit of a roof. And yeah. So the little snow cover for our firewood didn't really hold up against the snowstorm too well. Quite a bit of snow got on the firewood. But up here, I'm sure it's not terrible. Yeah, I see some dry wood underneath the top layer, but there's the fire pit under all the snow. Like, coming out of the bush. The bush goes up to just under your knee. Some spots right up to your knee. Like right here, it's pretty close. Went ahead and bucked up a dead rotten tree to burn. And yeah. So we decided we're not gonna do really any work. Just gonna hang out, have a fire in the cabin, start doing some snow patching just in case we come back and want to do another fire in there. It is noticeably warmer inside there than out here. When you walk in here, I'd say it's about, once when you get past the door, it's about a 5-degree difference roughly. It's definitely trapping the heat on the inside. As you can see, it's starting to melt towards the wall in the back. It's also because the wind's pushing it. But we got to get more firewood. But yeah. So yeah, once again, sorry this isn't really a progress video. It's more of a, hey, here's the shelter. Everything's looking good. But yeah, we're gonna have to hold off on building the roof for right now because it is not doable. I need to prepare a little bit more before I start adding. Plus, it's too windy to have a fire outside. And it's gonna be kind of hard to have a fire with the smoke being trapped by a roof without a proper ventilation. But yeah, like check that out. Like, I had a fire in that a couple weeks ago in December and it's just filled right in. But the rest of it's held up perfectly fine. Nothing's broken. Everything Everything's looking nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed the little checkup video, I guess you could call it. We're just gonna, like I said, hang around the fire, roasting Timbits the real Canadian way. But yeah, thank you for checking up. Excited to get the roof on in the spring. Anyways, until next time, peace.